Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the motor rotor in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a 24mm socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new rotor assembly. The motor rotor assembly is attached to the shifter shaft. By using the electromagnetic field, it rotates the inner basket or the pulsator. The main reason for the motor rotor assembly to be replaced is if it gets loose on the shaft or the magnets attached to the inside of the rotor chips away. In both cases, the washer won't work and the motor rotor assembly should be replaced. We're removing the rear access panel. In order to do that, we need to take out the 4 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take them out. If you noticed, I'm wearing gloves. This is because of the sharp metal. So I'm going to grab it on both sides, bend it slightly and push it down, and then we can release the top. Then we can pull up the bottom and take out the access panel. All right, so we're going to place a support on the floor and put a towel on it so it won't damage the washer. And then we can tilt it and place it on the box here. To remove the rotor, we need to take out this 24mm nut. I'm going to use this ratchet with a head, a 24mm head. And what we're going to do is I'm going to knock this handle hard to lose the nut. And then we can take it off. Continue manually, take off the washer, put it aside, we're going to use it again, and then carefully pull off the rotor. Slide it and shake it side to side. Remember, there's a strong magnets inside, so be careful, don't pinch your fingertips. There you go. This is the old rotor assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is the new rotor, and then we're going to place it on the shaft. Align the splines on the shaft and the spline inside the hub here. Alright, so grab it by the sides. Again, careful with your fingertips. Put it on the shaft. And then slide it again side to side. So now I'm going to place the washer on and the nut. I'm going to start it manually, turning it clockwise. Tight it as much as I can. And I'm going to use these 24mm socket wrench. Hold the rotor. And then we're going to tighten it. So I'm going to push it hard in and then knock the handle down a couple times. So I'm going to put the washer back on the ground on its feet. And we're going to remove the box and the towel. And we're going to install the rear access panel. Slide it up first under these 2 tabs on the top. Then we're going to bend a little bit the bottom. Place it in these 2 slots here. All right, at this point we can secure that access panel with the 4 Phillips screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.